Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all well and enjoying your holiday. In the previous class, we just talked about playing with number and some related subtopic, and we also understood the some of the topic related to the same topic with an example. Uh, all right. In the previous class, we just talked about now board mass. So if I ask you what is board mass rule, BODMAS rule decided the order of operation for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Alright. B bracket do all operation contain in the bracket first. O order, that means power and square root. D division. M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Alright. Why do we need board mass? When you see something like 7 plus 6 into 52 plus 3 bracket, what part should we calculate first? At the first, you go from the right or go from the left, right to left or left to right. Calculate them in a wrong order and you will get a wrong answer. So long ago, people agreed to always follow certain rules when doing calculation. One of them is board mass. All right. How do I remember board mass? We already discussed in a previous class. P bracket first, O order, M D division multiplication, AS that means division. That means addition and subtraction. We already discussed example. Now we are going to start a new subtopic, that is multiplies. If I ask you what is multiply in maths, when you learn your timetable in your in grammar school, you will learn multiply. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are multiplies of 2. To get these number, you multiply 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4 and 2 by 5, which are integer. And you already know what is integer. All the positive number, all the negative number along with 0 are integer. A multiply of a number is that number multiplied by an integer. Alright. When two or more number are multiplied, the product is called multiply of each of the number being multiplied. Thus, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the multiple of 5. If I say multiply by 6, that is not possible. While 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 are multiply of 6. Property of multiply: every number is multiply of itself. Every number is a multiply of 1. Multipliers are infinite in number. Multiply of any number is equal to or greater than given number. Alright. If we say that 4 and 5 are the factor of 20, then 20 is multiply of 4 and 5 both. 5 factor of 20, 4 factor of 20, 4, 5 into 4, that means 20. Multiply of 4, multiply of 5. Alright. If I say factor, what are factor? When a number is said to be factor of any other second number, then the first number must divide the second number completely without leaving any remainder. In the simple word, if a number dividend is exactly divisible by any number divisor, then the divisor is the factor of then dividend. Every number has a common factor, that is 1 and the number itself. Alright. What are multiplies? We already discussed in a previous slide. Alright. Factor: the number which exactly divide divide the given number are called factor of the number. As we can see that we get the number by 12 by 1, 12 by 12, 12 by 1, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 1, 12. Properties of factor: every factor of a number is exactly divisible of the number. The smallest factor of every number is 1. The greatest factor of every number is the number itself. The factor of number is equal to or less than the number. Prime factor. If I ask you what is prime factor? A prime factor is a natural number greater than 1 that cannot be formed by multiply by two smallest natural number. A natural number greater than 1 that is not prime is called composite number. For example, 5 is the prime because the only way of writing it as a product 1 into 5 or 5 into 1. Alright. The number whose only factor are 1 and the number itself are called prime factor, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Alright. If I ask you, is 1 a prime number? If yes, why? The definition of a prime number is the positive integer that exactly two positive divisor. However, 1 only has one positive divisor, 1 itself, so it is not a prime. A prime number is a positive integer whose positive divisor are exactly 1 and itself. If I ask you, is 0 a prime number? 0 is neither prime or nor composite number. Prime number are number greater than 1 because prime number should have 1 and the number itself as its factor, which means it must have only two positivity factor. Also, 0 has an infinite number of division. Any non-zero whole number divisible by 0. If I ask you, what is composite number? A composite number is a positive integer that can be formed by multiply two smallest positive integer. Equivalently, it is a positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 and itself. Alright, like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Remark: 1 is neither a prime or nor composite number. Alright. Okay student, this is for today. Thank you.